Okay, I think we are live already. So, hello everyone. I'm Coach Joel, and today I want to officially introduce to you something very important. And welcome to our daily live, and this would be our day two. And welcome to Chess Jump. Okay, so let me very clear from the very beginning. I am not a grandmaster. I am not a professional chess champion. In this generation, I consider myself a beginner and still learning, still growing, and still improving. And that is why chess jump exists. Okay, so why I started this, because I believe in learning publicly. I believe in decentralized growth as well. So here in our daily video, we will gonna promote a chess, and this would be my day two, and I'm planning for decentralized for chess. Okay, so I believe that in decentralization growth as well. So I believe also that improvement becomes stronger when it is transparent. So other games are publicly, noticed, but in chess we are doing it privately. But right now, we are in the global stage, unlike before. So instead of pretending to be an expert, guys, I decided to build something different. That to build a community where we can learn together in chess, where we practice anonymously, where we remove ego, and where discipline comes first. Okay. So what is chess jump? So Chess Jump, guys, is a decentralized global chess community which I built for now. And we train using lichess.org. So as you can see in our screen, so this is a lichess.org. We can play anonymous here. We can create a lobby here anonymously, and we can challenge a friend anonymously, and we can also um, uh, solve some puzzles anonymously. Okay, so Chess Jump is a no pressure and no identity conception and no fake images, because we are here, and it means decentralized. Decentralized means you can hide your identity while playing chess. Okay, so just move and just structure and just growth. So I was gonna explain you guys why decentralized matter, because when learning in decentralized, there is no hierarchy. Okay, no grandmaster, no FM, no AGM or something that they call it, no mastery or something. But in decentralization, there is no hierarchy. There will be no discrimination for us. Like for me, I don't have any rank, I don't have any rating in chess, so I can do whatever I want. I can free to do what I want. So there is no also artificial authority. So there will be no arbiters here. Okay, there are no arbiters. So there is also um a good thing of it that there is only one discipline. Okay, so I am here not to act as a master. Okay, but I am here to grow with you. Even though I'm a coach, but I'm still want to grow with everyone, especially to those beginners in chess. And I openly invite, strong players or grandmasters or whatsoever they call. I don't care, because here we are decentralized, and um we don't think, we don't think title as a hierarchy. We think as anonymously. So let's play with minds. Okay, so no intermediate players, because we are here, think ourselves as a beginners. So you can guide me and I can guide you. You can correct me and I can correct you. You can teach me and I can teach you, and you can challenge me as I can challenge you. So let's improve together with this chess jam Coach Joel House. It's under. So built under it is a Coach Joel House, which is my house. So Just Jump is a build under Coach Joel House. So we have our official YouTube channel as well. So I built this for all chess players worldwide. So this is the decentralized. Okay, so Even if you're a GM, you can hide your identity here. Even if you're a grandmaster, you can hide your identity here. Even if you're FM or PD master, you can hide your identity here. So in this house, or in my house, and in this house, we learn, we build, we grow, and we make mistakes, then we improve. Okay? So Chess Jump will always operate under Coach Joel House. Not as a decentralized academy, but as a community space where we learning is open and structured. So let make fun in chess, and we make growth transparently, and we can make discipline as a normal being. No, so my commitment to you guys is I will be transparent, and I will show my losses, and I will show my mistakes, and I will analyze my game, and I will not hide any weaknesses. I will show it to everyone here in my channel, because improvement begins with honesty. And this white paper, and I've created a white paper as well, so that we can verify it, we can learn from it, and then you can suggest whatever you want. You can comment, interact, or whatsoever. I don't care. So this white paper I created is under in the Coach Joel House as well. So this is not to claim an authority, but it is to establish a direction for us. Okay? It would be direction over speed as always. So what you can expect on this? So from today's forward, we structure anonymous practice. Okay? We can practice it anonymously. And we can post our game analyst here in the comment section, or you can interact with me, or you can show it to me, or you can come here in the StreamYard studio, and we can post also our error or reduction focus example, like okay, I made mistake, something like that. So psychological discipline also, we can train it here. And lastly, the decentralized participation, so we can build it slowly. Okay guys, I'm always building from the zero, and we will gonna build it slowly, but we will build it correctly. Okay, so I would like to invite to the community, or to all chess players worldwide right now, if you are stronger than me, okay, then guide me. Okay, just guide me. If you are learning like me, then grow with me. And if you are disciplined, then let's stay here. Okay, and if you want shortcuts, then this is not your place. I'm so sorry to say. So this is Chess Jump, and I'm Coach Joel again, as a beginner in this generation, a student of the game, as well as and a founder of Chess Jump. So let's build something meaningfully together, guys. And tomorrow's video, we can have our game structure and everything. So we can also have our games as well. But this time, I will gonna focus this introduction for this day 2 of chess jump. So that though, because I've been how can I say it? I've been in the research. I came across to the internet, and I see that there is a chess jump. So there would be the same name. So I will gonna rename it to chess jump. Okay, chess jump. So yon. Ayan, natapos na yung English natin ngayon, mag-Pilipino na naman tayo. Kasi talaga taga Pilipinas ako, no? So, ayan, ginawa ko lang ito kasi gusto ko imbitahan lahat ng mga chess players na makipaglaro na decentralized. Kasi alam naman natin, pagka decentralized, di ba, walang kinikilala yon. So, malaya kang maglaro, malaya kang mag-participate dito sa game natin. So, walang halong title. Kasi ako man, wala akong title eh. So, ano lang tayo dito, education lang, more education para sa mga beginners, lalo na yung mga kabataan na gusto matutong mag-chess. At ito naman ay starting pa lang, so hindi ako nangangailangan ng viewers or followers pa. Pero kung gusto niyo talaga, i-follow niyo na ako, no? Parang awan niyo na, please. Pero susubukan ko ulit. As I said before, sa mga videos ko pa noon, hindi ko kailangan ng maraming followers. Gusto ko lang yung makakasama ko dito sa journey na to. At wala akong pakialam kung maging sino ka man. Basta importante, gusto mong matuto, gusto mong sumama sa biyahe natin dito sa journey na to. So, welcome ka naman. At muli, magandang araw sa inyong lahat, no? Ako nga po pala uli ang inyong inyong coach, pero wag niyo na akong tawaging Coach Joel na lang, mas maganda 'yon. Kaya ko lang naman pinangalanan yung coach na yan kasi parang tumatak na rin sa isip ko nung naglalaro pa ako eh. So ngayon, i-end na natin tong video na ito at shoutout sa ating mga kababayang mga Bisaya, no? Pero Bisaya gid kung dako. Bisaya gid kung dako. So okay guys, so thank you for channeling in my life, and then let's see, tomorrow will be another day. That would be our day 3. So sa day 3 natin, ituturo ko yung sa white paper natin, iisa-isahin ko na. So ipalo nyo lang yung link natin dun sa ayan, may link tayo dito ngayon na naka-attach dito sa ating description. So i-follow nyo lang 'yon. Meron tayong Facebook page, meron din tayong YouTube channel. Sa YouTube channel ng Coach Joel House, doon ko ipo-post yung mga recordings ng live or ng clip ng live, no, mga short videos lang doon. So in the future guys, ay magkakaroon din tayo ng marami pang mga tournaments and decentralized din, no. Ang gagawin lang natin participant ID ganon. So pag nag-claim na kayo ng rewards, so meron tayong mga ibibigay din sometimes. So thank you for channeling in my live, and take care everyone, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.